Hello, today we will guide you through how to add a logo slider to Framer. In a few clear steps, you'll open a project, find Framer's interactive options, place a scrolling element for your logos, and size it to fit your layout. We'll keep it simple and practical so you can follow along smoothly and create a professional result. Begin by opening the Framer project that contains the page you're working on. If you're using a website template copy, load that file and make sure you're on the canvas with your sections visible. Select the page or frame where the slider will live, often a trusted by or partners area. Confirm you're in design mode, not preview, so you can add and position elements directly. Now click Insert to open the component library. This panel lists everything you can drop into the canvas. In the library, choose the interactive category. Interactive components come with built-in motion and behavior, which is ideal for a logo slider. They're easy to style later, so you get smooth movement without wiring up interactions yourself. From Interactive, find Carousel or Ticker, then click and drag it onto your design. Both are great for logo rows. A carousel lets users slide through a set of items, while a ticker continuously scrolls in a loop for a subtle, always moving strip of logos. Choose the feel you prefer, and drop the component in the section where the logo should appear. Place it within your grid so it lines up with headings and surrounding content. With the component selected, resize it to fit neatly. Drag the side or corner handles to set a comfortable height for logos and a width that spans the intended area. Watch the smart guides to keep left and right margins consistent. Aim for a height that balances with nearby text, tall enough for clarity, but not overpowering. If your page uses columns, align the slider to those columns and keep spacing even above and below for a clean, professional finish. That's it. You opened your project, used Insert to access Interactive, dragged in a carousel or ticker, and resized it to fit your layout. You now have a polished logo slider placed right inside your Framer design.